Hello friends, welcome to Web Talks. Today we're gonna learn about what is function currying in JavaScript. So currying is when you break down a function that takes multiple arguments into a series of functions that each take only one argument. So with this, it can be a way to use JavaScript function to make other JavaScript function. Okay, let's take an example. Let's take a normal example of a function, say function add. It takes two argument a and b, and it just return addition of a and b. Okay, so I will just console log this. So here you can see the result is 7. Now let's break down uh, this to a currying function. Let's make it a curry. Okay, so what we will do is, okay, so this is a curry function. It takes a function, say function name is add. It takes only one argument, then it returns another function that have an argument b, and inside that it adds a and b. Okay, so now let's try to call this. So how we will call? We will call this add, then we will pass the first parameter. Now if you see, this add a will return a function that will do the addition of a plus b. So we will do like this: add a and then pass other parameter as b. Okay, now we'll just do console.log. Sorry, here it will be number, say 5 plus 5. So this is 10. You saw it. Okay, now we can use it in a practical way, like say you want to, you can assign this function, you can create a new function from this, say where add 5. Okay, now what we will do here is we will call add with a parameter of 5. Now what this will do is, this will this will have a function with value a as 5 and value b, where while calling add 5 you will pass the value of b. So what we will do is like this: add 5, say I pass here value 10. Now if I do, so you can see add 15. So what's happening here is this value 5 is getting a closure to this add 5 function. Okay, similarly you can create multiple reference of this, say add 5, add 15, add 25, add 25, and then you can call it separately by passing the value b. Yep, that's it, function currying. So it can be a way to use function to make other function. Yep, so that's about function currying. If you like this, if you got this video, please like and subscribe our channel and comment down below. Okay, thanks.